and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. Right, it's stencil time. I've had this stencil sitting around way too long. It's getting a bit damaged, so I've got to do something with it because it is a lovely stencil. So what I thought was this will be a project in that I'm actually going to do a background with a dip, let that dry, and then put my stencil over it like this, and then I will resin the whole lot because I've had so many people asking me about the process. So I'm going to do it. This is just a pine wood board. I got this one from Kmart, quite cheap. So my first part of this will be, let's put the stencil out of the way so I don't get that messed up. First part will be my base for my nice pine board. So I've already marked out the area that I want to put the paint in for my background. So I had to rechange my strategy because I was doing a dip for a base, but it was just terrible. So I ended up just scooping the paint that I'd put on and just using a brush across it and using that glitter paint. And I thought I'll just have a muted background for this nice bright and vibrant art sticker. And as you see here, I'm sort of placing it on and I'm going to stick it down on that surface. So yeah, I had to completely go away from my dipped background. It just wasn't working. So that's in this art, that's what you have to do, is to adapt and change to suit a situation if it's not working. So putting this art sticker on, I was just using the back of that tool to just make sure I push out as many air bubbles as I possibly can. It had a little bit of a crease there, so I was a bit worried. I'm going to further embellish it, and I absolutely will resin this piece when it's all dry. So what I'm doing here is I've got those paints that are like puffer paints. They like leave a little puffy embellishment on your pour. They just were from Kmart, already in those little containers. So I've actually thought, I could use these containers when the product is gone and fill them with my own paint. So there you go, recycling everything. So I'm just doing some extra tendrils on there, and then I absolutely will be letting this piece dry and giving it a resin coat. Anyway, let's get on with this and see how it dries. Yes, I'm pretty happy with my little embellishments, and I really hope that it all dries perfectly enough for a nice resin coat. But I just felt that it needed some deeper blue in there, something to give it a bit of a pop, because it seemed to be muted. So I'm just, doodling away and enjoying the time. So remembering, that's what this whole thing is really about, is enjoying the process. And it will be going to my 5-year-old granddaughter, so she loves things like this to do with the sea or mermaids or anything of such, so she's going to really love this piece, I hope. But yeah, so I'll finish off my painting. I will have left this a few days to dry, and then I'll show you what it looks like with a resin coat on, and you can let me know what you think. I just added a few more painty bits. I painted the edges, which I probably need to do a second time, and I did resin coat it just once. It's going to be for my granddaughter, so I will just finish off giving it a second coat. I could resin coat it again but I don't think I will, because she'll just put it on the wall and it'll be fine like that. So the resin went fine over the stencil and over my further embellishments I did, so pretty happy with that. Had a little bit of obviously I added some stars in here, just little sparkles which I found in my little box there. So I had a bit of resin left over, so I come back and resin this piece that I'd done quite a number of months ago, just because it was and I put a few stars on it, so if my granddaughter wants that too. So just some little pieces and some little ideas. Until next time, bye for now.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow